Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements, so there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a look at self-adhesive labels for the health and beauty industry. Their requirements may differ depending on their application and end use. If your product is going to be used in the bathroom, your label should be water and soap resistant. And when you print on clear substrates, you'll want a solid opaque white layer between the label and the image to achieve a no-label look. Now, how about a tactile look and feel? Or perhaps you fancy a glossy appearance that just makes your colors pop. Or does your product call for nothing less than mind-blowing photorealistic masterpieces? Dry toner electrophotography and UV inkjet each have their own merits, so they can cater to different applications and end uses. For high-gloss, tactile, water and soap-resistant labels and the best results on clear substrates, Xeikon recommends UV inkjet. For water and soap-resistant photorealistic images that look great even on clear labels, Xeikon recommends dry toner. You see, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.